Hey everyone, welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at the Thracian Tomb of Sveshtari in northeastern Bulgaria. So the Thracian tomb is this huge mound that you can see behind me. It was the burial place of the Thracian king from around 300 BC. The Thracians were the people that occupied this land prior to the Roman invasion. Now it's a really interesting spot, so let's have a look around. So behind me you can see the modern entrance to the tomb, and inside it's in fantastic condition, though sadly I'm not allowed to film in there. The tomb itself is 3 rooms constructed from limestone blocks. There's an antechamber, a gift chamber, and then the actual burial chamber for the king and his wife. Now around the edges there's all of these really intricately carved figures, very unusual and very Greek in style. They're quite Thracian as well, and they're apparently very unusual. Everything is painted as well, though a lot of the paint has faded, but overall it's just really impressive. And as part of a larger complex as well, there's several other burial mounds here, though of course they weren't for kings, and those other burial mounds aren't on the World Heritage list. Well, we've just finished going through the tomb, and it's just really beautiful and very impressive as well. It reminds me a lot of the Etruscan necropolises that we saw over near Rome earlier this year. And it's hard to believe that the mounds are actually completely man-made as well, because what they would do is pile stone on top of the tomb and then cover that with soil and then clay so that no water could get in. And it actually really worked, because it wasn't until the 1980s that these tombs were discovered, though there were no treasures found in them, though there were some animal sacrifices, which is quite interesting. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from the World Heritage Journey. I'll see you next time.